Hoyas are wax plant, one of the most popular houseplant in recent times. This plant is relatively low maintaining plant, fairly easy to propagate, and it forms the most unique flowers. Also, they are available in different leaf designs and patterns, and for all of these advantages, people are getting obsessed with collecting different varieties of Hoyas. However, in this video I'm going to share a potting mix recipe only for Hoyas. I tried to mimic the soil on which Hoyas generally grow in nature because a good potting mix always will reward you. So if you are one of the Hoya lovers, then watch this video till the end because I gathered lots of information to share. Most of the Hoyas are epiphytic, which means they climb up to the trees and absorb water and nutrients that accumulated on the bark of the trees like orchids and ferns. So they have a tendency to dry out, though there are some other species of Hoyas that are terrestrial and occasionally native to rocky areas. However, Hoyas form adventitious roots all over their body which are susceptible to the wet condition of the soil. Also, their succulent-like stems are quite sensitive to overwatering, and wet conditions rot both the stems and roots within 24 hours. So they prefer well-draining soil, and at the same time that will dry out quickly, cause some potting mix are well-draining but stay moist for a longer time, like the potting mix of pothos. So I have added 1 part coco peat, 1 part well-rotten compost, it's actually vermicompost, 1 part rice husk. Rice husk helps in drainage, keeps the soil loose, and also it releases amino acids during the decomposition process. Now to increase the porosity of the soil, I added half part pumice, half part pre-washed charcoal. The charcoal pieces are around 2 cm, and half part tree barks which are around 3 cm. Tree bark provides a tropical vibe to the plant roots and obviously increases the porosity of the potting mix. Then mixing all the ingredients well. And this will be the texture, turned into a loose, porous potting soil. Now this is a Hoya curtisii, has lots of new growth, and I'm going to repot this plant into a 6 inches pot so it will get enough space to grow. I put some charcoals and barks over the drainage holes so the soil will not escape whenever I'm watering. As I said before, Hoyas are very susceptible to overwatering, so make sure the pot you are choosing for Hoyas has enough drainage holes. Now let's repot the plant. Water the plant immediately after repotting and pour water until excess water drains out. So the repotting is done, and now I'm going to keep this plant in my Hoya corner. I have around 15 different species of Hoya and I just repotted them in 6 inches pots last week and they are doing fine. This place receives 1 hour of the morning direct sun and the whole day bright light. But I turn on grow lights at night because I have some variegated Hoyas that need more light to maintain the variegation. However, I will upload another video on Hoya plant care. Till then, if you are interested in plants and gardening, then feel free to subscribe with the bell. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.